All right, my VeeFriends Minis vending machine has arrived, and I'm super excited to unbox it and share with you all the behind the scenes process of what this looks like. Let's start unboxing. Already, right at the get-go here are the goods. Look at that. Oh, that's awesome. Yes. All right, VeeFriends Minis. I'm super excited that they came up with this awesome small business idea for the vending machines. I think it's like 275%. That's what you're gonna get on your investment on these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags. Let's check this out, see what this is. Gotta collect them all. Let's see what we have here. Oh, a letter. Congratulations on becoming the proud owner of one of the first VeeFriends vending machines. This means that you are part of an exclusive group that can now start building your own VeeFriends vending toy business. As an aspiring or seasoned entrepreneur elf, you'll find these machines to be extremely user-friendly and easy to set up and maintain. Let's find out. Gary V's signature is on the box. That's awesome. And there's more. All right, let's see here. Yeah. This looks like it's the base. Surprises. All right. Our screws. I can't get over how awesome this is. Like a glove. Look at this. I love it. Very, very, very lucky black cat. Logo. Check that out. If you're wondering why I keep looking at my watch, it's because I can see the video on there and make sure I'm in frame. Another fun little tip you can do when using your iPhone and you got an Apple Watch, you can use it to stop and start your videos while you make them. All right, we've got it out of the box. Next thing is we gotta put it together. We're gonna start with this pole here and that base plate. All right, so we want to do something like this. Looks like these are the bigger ones that are going to go in first. I'm excited to learn how to open it all up, how to put it all in there, how to figure out how to get the money out. Now let's flip this up. Might be better if we set it up here. And here are the keys. Line it all up. Go well. All right. Woo! 360 VeeFriends Minis. I'm excited. I've got the key. Came with it. We're gonna pop this in. Now, look at that. Super cool. They all have toppers. Looks like they pop right off. We're getting closer and closer to filling it up. I wanna go home with you. That's so clever. Let's have a blast together. Unlock the Fox. Flexin' Fox. Shout out to RJ. All right. This is the fun part. Super exciting. All right, gonna rip it open, drop them in. There we go. Yes, this is so exciting. I'm so stoked for this. VeeFriends Minis vending machine, my very first. Let's get this kind of moved around here, give it some space so I can put that topper back on. Thing is kind of, oh, look at that, perfect. Pour it all in. This is going to be a great way to teach my son about business and what each one of these cost, and then what they're gonna pay for it, and then what our profit's gonna be, and what that looks like if we had multiple of them. Yeah, that worked out great. And alternate these. And so much thought, like so much thought put into all this. Season 1 and Season 2. Tons of rarities, lots to collect. Super excited to see what happens in the future with all this. After VCon, I was ecstatic with the news and applied right away. And luckily, I was approved. So, when I saw September they were shipping them out and I got my box, I could not wait to open these. All right, let's go ahead and start loading up the VeeFriends Minis. My location is in Orlando, Florida, so I'm just 20 minutes outside Orlando. I'm in Winter Garden, and it'll be at a BurgerFi, which is downstairs below my office. And I'm super excited for that partnership. A great guy who owns it, and I'm stoked to put this in there. So you're gonna see that in the next video. I'm gonna be dropping this downstairs at the location, probably tonight. Like so. Just like that. We have our VeeFriends Minis vending machine ready to rock and roll. 360, all loaded up. 2 more here ready to rock and roll once these all go out. I'm excited to take it down to BurgerFi and load this bad boy up. Come along, let's go check it out. Let's go ahead and take this downstairs. Let's see how light it is. Not too bad.